Hello, is this a research funding agency?
Yes, it is.
I am a researcher in the field of marine invertebrates. I would like some research funding, please.
Whoa. Slow down. Don't be so unreasonable and demanding. We need to ask you some important questions first. Have you had any previous research funding?
No, I have not.
Then what makes you think that you can be trusted with research funding?
I have a brilliant idea for a research project on the mating habits of marine sponges.
Do you know what you will find?
No, this is why I need the research funding.
So you do not actually know what you will find?
No, as I said, this is why I need the funding.
So you are saying that you cannot be trusted with research funding?
Pardon?
Well, if you don't know what you will find, why would we give you funding for it?
It is a research project. If we knew what we'd find, we would not need to research it. That is kind of the whole point.
I see. And have you had any previous research funding?
No, as I already told you, I have not.
I see. Is your project medical or dental research?
No, as I already told you, it is about the mating habits of marine sponges.
Could you change your project to make it medical or dental research?
I don't think so. Whilst many marine sponges are potential sources of unique metabolites, including cytotoxic and anti-cancer compounds, I cannot really see the medical application of understanding the mating habits of marine sponges, and I am fairly sure that marine sponges do not have teeth.
Have you looked?
Pardon?
Have you looked to see if marine sponges have teeth?
No.
Then why don't you do that?
Why don't I do what?
Why don't you look to see if marine sponges have teeth?
Why would I want to do that?
Because then it would be medical and dental research.
Are you telling me that if I proposed to investigate the presence, or otherwise, of calcium-based masticating structures in the ostia of marine sponges, I would receive research funding?
I did not say that. Your proposal would need to go through a rigorous peer review process first.
And it is at that point that experts on marine sponges would be asked to assess the academic merits of my proposal on looking for teeth in marine sponge ostia?
Yes. Well, not necessarily experts on marine sponges. You would most likely be assessed by world-leading professors in areas tangentially aligned with the proposed research topic, such as archaeology or condensed matter physics.
So let me get this straight. You are suggesting that in order to receive funding I should propose to investigate whether or not marine sponges have teeth, written in such a way that it would be appreciated by an archaeologist or by a physicist?
Yes.
Even though I actually want to investigate the mating habits of marine sponges?
Yes, that is correct.
I see. I must admit that I'm suddenly struck by the irony that most marine sponges are hermaphroditic, as I am tempted to make a very similar suggestion in relation to your research funding.